When API failures occur, it's important to be able to determine the cause of the failure and resolve it as quickly as possible. So let's just take a look at how the Sola product from Akana Perforce makes this a very simple process. Just go up to the toolbar and click on Error Search. In the resulting panel, first select the Sola environment you want to target. Now you can narrow your search by date, by time, by mainframe program name, or by API name. In this case, I'm just going to do a broad search. In this case, there are 5 API failures that met my search criteria. Had there been more, this would be a scrollable list. Let's start right at the top. So this first API failure was the result of accessing an API using SOAP protocols. And as you can see in this case, Sola has captured the SOAP request that caused the failure. The failure itself is the data provided for sort field exceeds the maximum allowable length. If we look here at sort field, you can see it's NX. If you go to the mainframe program, the sort field is a PICX1, so you can't fit 2 bytes into a 1-byte field. Sola hasn't even bothered executing the legacy program in this case. Sola spotted the contract violation and simply reported the error. Also, as you can see, there was a username password token attached in the SOAP header, and we strike out the password. Let's take a look at another one. Now in this case, this API was invoked using REST protocols, and you can see we capture a variety of information different than we do when it's SOAP. So here we get the method, which was a GET. This was the URL. There was again a basic auth header that came in, and as you can see, we also strike out the password there. We have the IP address of the requester and some other information. And you can see the error here was the same thing, that the sort exceeds the maximum allowable length. And in this case, the sort was passed up as a query string parameter, and again, you can see it was NX. So it's very easy to detect what went wrong and resolve the issues. Let's take a look at one more. In this case, again, we see the API was invoked using REST protocols. The error in this case is invalid content in the payload. So let's take a look. The content type specified in this header is application XML. If we scroll down, we can see that the input payload was clearly JSON. So once again, Sola did not bother invoking the legacy program. It just simply noticed that there was this conflict and it reported the error. If you need to see any additional information, simply click on Monitor Detail, and this will take you directly to the metrics for this specific API invocation. You can see that when errors do occur, Sola records all the needed information to make it quick and easy to troubleshoot the issue, and that this is all built into the product in a cohesive and intuitive fashion and requires only the click of a mouse button. For more information on Sola, as well as other products from Akana, please visit akana.com.